Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And guess what? We'll talk. Well, hey family, happy Tuesday. This is Darlene. I'm going to be making a pair of earrings using some of the natural shells. Some of these look like these are probably 8mm Buddha heads. We are also going to be using some of these. I don't know what these are called, but I'm gonna use a couple of these, and I got an idea in mind. I'm hoping it'll come out looking like I want to, and then I'm gonna use a couple of these beads. And I already got my, oh, and then I was thinking I might use these charms right here. That came right off. And I got these at, I think I bought these at, I think this is a Hobby Lobby brand. These charms right here, they look like they would match. So we will see. I'm going to take, you see that little bitty jump ring on there? I'm going to take that off. And then, oh wait, maybe, will it be able to fit through the, oh yeah, it'll fit. Like, ooh, wait a minute, will it fit the wire? That's the thing with some of these. You got to be really careful because the hole is so small. A couple of the beads I was going through, and I discovered that they have a very small hole. So I am not going to be able to use them for charms or basically anything because the hole is too small. These right here. So what I was doing is I was going to make some charms. Remember I said that when I first got them. I was going to make some charms, but I found out that the hole is too small for the wire. So even with the aluminum wire, it's too small of a hole. So you can see that right there. And that's basically forcing the wire in. And this is aluminum piece right here. So even with that, they don't fit. So these would have to be probably glued on something, or I don't think I would wrap them or anything. I can probably use like, you know, the wood pieces, and they could probably get glued on, you know, or something like that. But I'm not really sure what else I would be able to do with them. Because they're too, I can wrap them with wire, but they're just too little. They almost look like little chiclets, you know, the size of chiclets. Pretty beads though. And then we got our wire already cut. So we are going to stack some of these pretty natural shells, and let's see what we can get. 1, 2, 3. Let's see, where's the hole? 4. Let's see, 4. 5. And let's do like maybe 6 pieces. We'll do 6. So that'll give us a little height. And that's 6 on there. So then we need to do 6 on here. The colors do not have to match. That's the beauty about these shells, because there's so many different colors. You could just kind of mix them up, so it don't even matter. You don't have to match them up. So this is 1, 2. Let's see, 2. Does this one have a hole? Yeah, 3. Okay, 3, 4. Let's see, 4, 5. And I think I put 6, but for some reason that looks about the same. Did I do 5 or 6? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put 6 on this one, and then I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I put 5 on this one and 6 on the other one, and they almost look the same height, only because this bead right here is lifted up that pink one. So what I'm going to do is change it because I want them to be the same number. Even though they look the same height, they could end up one being longer than the other one. So that's 2, 3. Let's see what else we got. 3 orange. How about blue? 4. Let's try this one. Is that 4? Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we need one more. And we will go with, how about this little pink one? And we want them to be about the same height. So that looks about the same height. So they look about the same height. And then what we're going to do, we are going to grab, you know what, I think I want to put one more. Let's put one more. So let's put one on this one. And let's put one on this one. Okay, so let me look at it. They look about the same. And as I make it, it'll let me know. So I'm going to use the Buddha heads. Go ahead and put our Buddha heads on here. So it looks like that. My light is a little off. And then, so with it like this, if I put this little bead over it, I don't know if this is a bead cap or not, but if I put that over it, it's going to hide the Buddha bead, and that's not what I want. So that's where these little beads come in at. I'm going to put one on here. I'm going to put one on here. And then let's try. So now we can actually see the Buddha head. And then let's try on this one. Oops, oops, oops. And I know it has a hole in it, right? Should have. There we go. So when we put those little, I guess they're bead caps. When we put the little bead caps on it, we can see these are really cute like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pinch our wire like this and go ahead and fold it over like that. It almost feels like I have to be very careful, like something will crack on me. So I'm going to do that and then take the wire and then wrap it. I'm going to wrap it on top of the shell or cap or whatever this is. And then wrap it a couple of times like that. And then now I'm going to take it back up. So you can see how it wrapped around there like that. It almost looks like a lamp. So then we want to take our pliers, straighten that up a little bit. Lamp. That's what it looks like. So let's do this one. These are really cute. I like these, very different. So then we are going to fold our wire. And then we're going to take our wire and wrap it around. Let me pin this back up. So then I want to take the wire and wrap it around the top of the cap like that. Now I'm going to take it up. Take it up and fold it. So let me see if I can get it all the way smashed down. So either way, even though I cut that little bit off on the other one, they still look about the same. So as long as they're the same height, which they look about the same height. And then this is what I wanted to do. So let's try something. I wonder if I should put this on here though. That seems like that might be a little bit too much, right? So if I put the charm on the bottom of it. So I'm gonna leave them like this because I really do like the way they look. They almost look like lamps. Turn that plastic down, that wire down. Bend it down on this one, close that down. And then we basically, oh my God, they look like little lamps. How cool is that, right? You know what, I'm gonna have to go get some. I really hate that Joann clothes because I used to love their ear wires. I don't know if somebody was saying that Michael's is supposed to start getting the different supplies that Joann's had. Is that true? Anybody know? Let me know. So when I go in there next time, I could look for ear wires. Okay, so that's that one. And then let's do this one. How cool are these, right? They look like lamps and they're very light, like little lamps. Oh my goodness, how cool. You know I'm gonna end up wearing these, right? I think I'm gonna make a pair with the brown and then use some different ones down here. Maybe one, no, I think I'm gonna mix the colors and then probably use different beads up here. Because see, once you put a bead on top of the Buddha head, that's good because you can see the Buddha head. But these are adorable. You guys let me know what you think about these. Too cute, too cute. And they're very lightweight, not heavy at all. I think I'm going to make a couple more pair of these. Darling night for your baby. You can, guess what? We'll talk.